This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I've got kiln-dried ambrosia maple. Lots of nice colors here. This is a 5x3, and we're going to try and make a potpourri box. Now, these pewter lids that I got a while back, I got an assortment of 8 of them for $24. I think this will be a nice little addition to this ambrosia maple. Let's get to turning.
The same old thing, like I said something just to ruin your mood and clip your wings. I would buy you a diamond ring if say what? If you made me feel like you were queen and I were king. God only knows.
Well, that's not good. It's like the belt slipping. Ah, great.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. Sometimes you're a fire, sometimes you're a ghost. Sometimes you can give me all the things that I love the most. Sometimes you're a queen, sometimes you're a curse, and sometimes a whole lot worse. Yeah, nobody's quite like you. Oh, nobody's quite like you. Hanging by a thread of hope, like you let me go. Leave me hot or leave me cold. It's a shame I have to pay the price. Didn't realize that you look away and roll the dice. God only knows that I'm better off being without you. Yeah. God only knows that I'm trying to do what I want to. Sometimes you can give me all the things that I love the most. Sometimes you're a queen, sometimes you're a curse, and sometimes a whole lot worse. Yeah, nobody's quite like you. Nobody's quite like you. Oh, nobody's quite like you.
Look at that. It's got that chatoyance going on. And where it doesn't have the chatoyance, it's got these dark greens. Oh, it's beautiful. And then, all right, let's take a look at this. Let's take this pewter piece off for a moment and just look at the wood itself. Look at the chatoyance that it has on this side and this side. There's some nice chatoyance going on. I think you could pick that up. It just dances right across there as the light refracts off of it. And in between the two chatoyances, we got this beautiful ambrosia wood grain. It just, that looks like Florida right there. Was that Cuba down here? I put a little cove across the top. I guess you could call this like a squatted vase look. I thought with that ambrosia it would look good to see a little bit of it flattened off on top and being able to see it pop out with these sides. I'm not sure this was such a good design, but this turned out to be a beautiful little bowl with that pewter potpourri lid. Now, as far as the lathe is concerned, as you've seen, the lathe gave out on me. The belt was slipping and could not re-engage. I tried tightening up the motor, just wasn't working. I've had enough of it. I think it was time to upgrade, and upgrade I did. I've got a Laguna Revo-1216, and it's a beast. It is an absolute beast. I am certain I'm gonna like this, and I hope you liked this video, because if you did, you know, consider hitting that like button, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. I'm gonna turn a lot more projects on this, but this was the first one on the Laguna lathe. That's a beautiful piece of work right there. I like it. I hope some other people like it too. Whoa! Why is that coming off of there? Hello? How the did that come off of there? Oh yeah, look at that. Chatoyance. Oh my gosh. That's why you wear a mask. Oh, Jesus Christ! That scared the bejesus out of me. All right. Lids that came with the assortment. Toilet flushing. Why does it happen every time? Everybody has to pee when I'm recording. All right.